Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use your image generations on Adobe Firefly as reference images for future image generations. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your account on Adobe Firefly. First, make sure that you're logged in with your Adobe account. And here in the main menu on Adobe Firefly, navigate to your library here to the left under your stuff and navigate to your files or your generation history or your projects. Depending where you have saved your image generation. I will go with this example image generation here for the sake of this tutorial, but you can select also a video or another image, for instance, from your library. I will go with this one. This is going to redirect you to the prompt generator or image generator, sorry. So what you want to do is browse through the given image generation projects, chat or conversation with the artificial intelligence, navigate to the given outcome you would like to use as a reference image for future prompts, and then hover your mouse over it, click into edit in the top left and select this option at the bottom under generate. Use as reference image. And it will be then added to that list here to the left. You may remove it from there by clicking into the X button here. And using images as reference may help the artificial intelligence, for example, create a new image generation based or, for example, related to the reference image. For example, if you add extra information to your prompt at the bottom that your image generation, you would like to have it, for example, connected to the given reference image in terms of the style, the overall topic, colors, or I don't know, anything from that. You will see also the attached reference images at the bottom. You may clear that list. You may use up to 6 for them, of them from your own library, or you may upload one from your device. But we talked about how to do that in a separate tutorial, guys. So that's it. Once that's done, I personally also would change the prompt here a bit, but that's totally up to you guys. Once you're ready, click into generate in the bottom right and wait for Firefly to generate to create your image with the reference image for context. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.